Yes, so my correct people, I don't come your way again with another ogbonge and legitimate informate wey I go like share give all of una. And you see this koko wey I bring come na about the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission chairman. Yes, so the chairman of the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, im name na Ola Olukoyede. Im don dey yarn some kind things wey happen for inside im office just recently. Im say e get one 17 years old guy like that wey hack into im own personal computer and even im bank account as dem dey interrogate the guy for inside im office for inside Lagos. The anti-graft agency chairman na im dey yarn dis one as im dey rapport with the tori pipo wey dey for inside the headquarters of the Efcc wey dey for inside Jabi of Abuja. And the chairman come still let us know say na him by himself invite the 17 years old guy come inside im office for questioning o, only for him to witness this young hacker now come dey bypass security measures of the man computer wey dey locked already before the man korokoro eyes. As in front of the man korokoro eye like this, the boy just hack into computer wey dey lock and him come make the thing come look as if na indomie wey the person dey cook very easy. Make I yarn you the koko exactly as the chairman of the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission wey be Ola Olukoyede take yarn am. He say him bring this guy now come im office wey dey for inside Lagos, and this guy na 17 years old boy wey dey study history and anthropology. Say this guy now dey 200 level and he no dey study anything wey dey science related. That is to say this guy course now for school e no dey related to science at all o, but this guy sit down for the office of the chairman. He come demonstrate some kind things give am for inside im laptop. The boy now ask for the chairman number, the chairman give am im number, and through im number na him come get the man BVN, and him come mention the man account number give am, account number of the man bank now him come mention am give am. The chairman now no tell am anything o, na the guy now just he just type, everything begin dey appear. No be small matter my correct people. This kind skill at this kind age omo na rare gem. Na something be say mature people sef dey pray make dem learn, but na something be say small pikin of 17 years, just teenager, na something be say he don sabi to the ex ten t wey be say he come impress the chairman of the Efcc. Normally this kind thing sef go impress anybody because this one don pass skill, this one na talent, and e dey very dangerous. Na make the Efcc chairman now come dey yarn say the country now dey must take necessary measures to discourage these young people now because of these actions wey dem dey do. This thing fit lead to imprisonment and other ogbonge consequences like that. And the problem be say im dey see am as crime and im still dey see am as opportunity. So if dem leave this guy now, dem fit go perform, dem fit do the undo, and dem now dem no know say wetin dem dey do e dey wrong. If you leave dem now, they go continue, and for dem now e go come as if na the new means, na the new pattern of living, as in na the new way of life, as in na the new hustle, as in na the new update wey be say they go take feed their family, and all those things now e no make sense. No be small matter my correct people. The chairman now come dey yarn say based on these people their young age now, based on say dem never too mature, dem no know wetin dem dey do, you understand. The Economic and Financial Crimes Commission wey be EFCC they go give them light sen ten ce to punish the youth for the cyber crimes wey dem don commit. As in they go give them small punishment based on say dem still tender, based on say dem never too mature like that to face the ogbonge punishment of the law, you understand. And why im dey plead for light sen ten ce be say e no go give am joy at all for him to come dey send 17 years old boy now dey go jail. Say that thing now go destroy the boy future, e go destroy im career. Nobody now wey don go jail come outside come remain the same. And as dem reduce their punishment, dem go still use opportunity take dey focus on how dem go take help dem make dem take change their orientation, make dem take change their lifestyle, make dem know say hacking dey illegal, na crime for inside we country Nigeria. Na why dem dey give dem fine as punishment, say dem go pay so amount of money. By that time now the EFCC now don gbab dem o, dey come carry dem go now, go dey lecture dem, go dey teach dem on the way to go dey talk to dem, go dey caution dem, so that dem go know say those kind of stuff that dem no suppose to carry am take dey harm anybody. Dem suppose to do am for the betterment of the country Nigeria instead of for the betterment of only their self, you understand. And something better for the country go still better for you too. Just take this 17 years old boy now for example, person wey be say him come dey even dey demonstrate confidence, him dey demonstrate confidence on top him skill. Him come dey yarn dey give the chairman of the EFCC say like this now, say him fit transfer 10 million from the chairman account go any other account in just one transaction. And the guy wan be do am, but the EFCC chairman now come tell am say make him just chill, make him no do that kind of thing for him office, say e no go make sense at all. And the boy for do am o, because the boy now don already get access to the chairman laptop. The man no give am access o. the man no tell am him password to the laptop o. The boy just carry laptop just to say he wan prove him point. He hack the man computer. He just only ask the chairman for him phone number. The chairman give am. From there he enter account, call the account number of the chairman, give the chairman. Chairman surprise, he say he don finish. He come call the chairman BVN. Chairman still surprise, he say he don finish. Before he come dey yarn dey give the chairman say like this now, I fit just comot 10 million from your account. You just dey here dey look me. No be small matter, my correct people. When dem come ask the boy now say why he don put himself for cyber crime, why he dey do this thing wey he dey do, na the boy come dey explain o say like this na him parents, both of them na farmers, and like this na dem no fit go work based on one or two security challenges, you understand. But the boy come stay here and say him get two younger ones, say one dey JS2 and the other one dey SS2. Say na him now dey feed him parents and na him dey take responsibility for the payment of the younger ones, their school fees and every other stuff. Out of pity now, this chairman now come look the boy. He say he see big gates. He dey see big gates inside this boy. Then the chairman wey be Ola Olukoyede come dey give the boy assurance say he go take responsibility for the boy schooling. Say make the boy just stop all the criminal acts. And the chairman come stay yarn say he don talk to some of him friends and one of them don agree say they go take care of this boy sibling now. You know say the boy sibling dem dey two, one dey SS2, the other one dey JS2. The Efcc chairman friend now don agree say he go take care of that one wey dey for SS2. He go cater for that one now for his school fees and every other stuff dem. So wetin the chairman now dey look for na person wey go take care of that one now wey dey for JS2. And this one my correct people, no be the first time wey the chairman of the Efcc don yarn about the anti-crime agency their plan to rehabilitate and convicted internet fraudster dem with reduced sen ten ce. As in dey talk about delegation now of the National Association of University Students for inside March 2024, in dey yarn say when he think deeply now, as in if he reason am well, that name ex-convict e no good at all. No be better name, because you no go know where you go find yourself tomorrow wey be say you dey look for job now and they come check you up, they come look you up for internet, come say you be ex-convict. That kind of thing na go discourage them to give you that work wey they go look for. Wetin the Efcc dey do na for the interest of the youth, as in na for the betterment of the youth, because they dey do am now to prevent them now to indulge in all those hideous crime now, all those hideous acts of cyber crime. No be lie, my correct person. If you touch like this kind matter now, wetin the Efcc dey do, they dey try you. Now they like wan make the youth dem now comot hand for all those kind of bad things. That make you go dey hear say they don gbab this one, no go hear say they don gbab that one. You understand? So that those people now wey wan do that thing, those people wey wan put hand, they go know say omo road no clear there o. Last now if the Efcc catch you, get as e go be o. You understand? But this skill wey this guy get, omo, they need to do something about am, because if this guy now decide to just go dark, if he just decide say okay, I want dey do bad things for inside this life wey I come, omo, the guy fit do am, but he no go get peace, he no go get rest, because as na crime, as na illegal something, the anti-crime agency and other agencies, they go dey pursue am till tomorrow. Anywhere wey him dey, they go find am go, and when dem gbab am, and that time they no come look face, because say he don already zero mind as him dey young like that, say he want to dey do bad things. That mean they go dey encourage youth say make dem comot body from bad things, make bad things comot body from themselves. So the Gbos of arrest and that ex-convict name now, person no go come bear am. You understand? So my correct person, anyhow the koko be for body, feel free to make you drop am inside our comment section. You know very well say this na Anointed Lady TV. Now this channel wey dey like give you ogbonge and legitimate news on wetin dey sup for inside we country Nigeria. If you never subscribe to this channel, make you rush go subscribe and make you turn on the notification bell, so that as they bring the news dey come on wetin dey sup for our country, you dey get the updates and you go get am sharp. And make you try to share the news to your family and friends abeg, so that them too they go get updates on wetin dey play for inside we country. I dey bring another update for you, my correct person. No go anywhere.